Welcome! This tutorial will explain the creation and the appropriate use of the variable POPWT. POPWT is spelled P-O-P-W-T. POPWT is a weight variable available in both IPUMS DHS and IPUMS PMA. POPWT is constructed by IPUMS using the normalized survey weights in the DHS and PMA. Normalized weights adjust each observation so that the sample proportionally represents the target population. The average of the weights will be roughly 1, and the sum of the weights will be approximately the number of observations in a sample. Freq weight in IPUMS PMA and per weight in IPUMS DHS is the normalized survey weight for family planning samples for women ages 15 to 49. When pulling multiple samples of IPUMS PMA and IPUMS DHS, especially when using samples from more than one country, it is more appropriate to use denormalized weights. POPWT is a denormalized population-based weight, meaning that it represents the number of people in the total target population represented by one observation, not just relative to the sample. IPUMS uses population data from the UN to determine the total target population, women ages 15 to 49, in each country in a given year. Then we multiply the ratio of the observation's survey weight over the sum of the survey weights across the entire sample. In IPUMS PMA, POPWT can be found in the technical, weights and estimation variable group when browsing the family planning person unit of analysis. POPWT is only available for nationally representative samples. In IPUMS DHS, POPWT can be found in technical, weights and subsample selection, and the household member's unit of analysis must be selected. IPUMS DHS will add POPWT to the women unit of analysis in the near future. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for your interest in IPUMS Global Health. Use it for good.